In our first video of today's lesson, you'll be introduced to katakana characters you'll need to identify common classroom objects. After this set of notes, you will be able to read and write 6 more katakana characters and their related syllables. Again, slow kana days means heavy vocabulary days. So be ready to learn some Japanese. One nice thing about katakana is the simple strokes. Most strokes are straight and either stop or tail. Only 2 katakana characters have strokes that end in a hook. Ki is made of 3 straight strokes that stop, 2 angled slightly up to the right, and a third that intersects them both at right angles. Let's try this together. Ichi, ni, san, ki. Remember to say the pronunciation of the character as you write it. Just like the hiragana ki, this character also looks like an old-fashioned ki. Our second character today is ko. It is only 2 strokes. The first stroke is the same as the first stroke of yo. It goes across the top and down the right side. And the second stroke is the bottom stroke. Both strokes come to a full stop. So let's try this together. Stroke 1 across the top and down the right side. Stroke 2 across the bottom. Ko. You can remember this character by thinking about standing on a street corner waiting for the light to change. Our next character is te. Te is 3 strokes. The first 2 strokes are the horizontal strokes. Notice that the second stroke is longer than the first. They both stop, and the third stroke is that small stroke going down and it tails to the left. So let's try this together. The first stroke goes across, followed by the second stroke, and the third stroke tails to the left, te. To remember this one, you might think of using a telescope to see a shooting star. That's all the characters for this video. However, ki and ko are from the kagyo. Their pronunciations can be altered by the dakuten. Likewise, te is from the tagyo, so it also accepts the dakuten. Just like their hiragana counterparts, adding the dakuten to ki gives you gi. Adding them to ko will result in go. And adding the dakuten to te gives you de. Have you noticed the patterns the gyo pronunciations follow as you add the dakuten? As ki and gi are from the iro, they can now be combined with yo to create palatal syllables. Let's look at those really quick. We can combine gi with a small yo. Remember, the lines will help with placement and size, and we end up with gyo. We can also combine ki with a small yo, and once again, using the lines when you first start will always help with placement and size of yo. And this gives you kyo. As we learn the characters from the yagyo, the palatal syllables will multiply quickly.